What technologies will shape our future? It's a question that has captivated humanity for centuries. We stand on the precipice of a new era driven by disruptive technology that possesses the power to reshape industries, redefine possibilities, and fundamentally change the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. In this video, we'll delve into three transformative technologies poised to revolutionize our world: the Internet of Things, IoT, 3D printing, and advanced robotics. Imagine a world where everyday objects are imbued with intelligence, seamlessly communicating and interacting with each other. That's the promise of the Internet of Things. From smart homes that anticipate our needs to connected cars that enhance safety and efficiency, the IoT is weaving its way into every aspect of our lives. But it is in healthcare where the IoT holds truly transformative potential. Let's take a look at the IoT-enabled smart pill dispenser. This device goes beyond simple reminder, dispensing medication at the right time and dosage, alerting caregivers in case of missed dosages or potential adverse reactions. Now envision a world where every device are seamlessly integrated into a larger smart healthcare system. Imagine a network of wearable sensors constantly monitoring vital signs, transmitting real data to healthcare providers, enabling proactive inventors and personalized treatment plans. The IoT has the power to revolutionize healthcare, empowering both patients and providers with unprecedented insight and control. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, has emerged from the realm of science fiction to become a transformative force in manufacturing, design, and now even medicine. Imagine a future where instead of waiting for organ transplants, patients in need can receive 3D printed organ bioengineered using their own cells, eliminating the risk of rejection. But the potential of 3D printing extends far beyond organ manufacturing. Imagine a world where personalized prosthetics are readily available, custom designed and printed to perfectly match an individual's needs and anatomy. No longer will amputee be limited by generic prosthetics. 3D printers empowers us to create bespoke solutions tailored to individual requirements, unlocking a new era of personalized medicine and assistive technology. Robotics has come a long way from the industrial robots confined to factory floors. Today, advanced robots are stepping out of the factory and into our homes, hospitals, and daily lives, poised to redefine human capabilities and reshape our relationship with technology. Imagine a world where robotic caregivers assist the elderly and those with disabilities, providing companionship, assistance with daily tasks, and even medical support, allowing individuals to maintain their independence and live with dignity. But the impact of advanced robotics extends beyond caregiving. Imagine donning a robotic exoskeleton that augments your strength, enabling you to lift heavy objects with ease or regain mobility after injury. These exoskeletons have the potential to revolutionize industries like construction and logistics, reducing workplace injuries and enhancing productivity. The Internet of Things, 3D printing, and advanced robotics are not merely technological advancements. They are harbingers of a new era, a future brimming with possibilities. These technologies have the potential to address some of the world's most pressing challenges, from improving healthcare outcomes to enhance human capabilities. But their impact extends far beyond specific applications. They have the power to reshape our societies, our economies, and our very understanding of what it means to be a human. As we stand on the cusp of the technological revolution, it is imperative that we embrace the future with both excitement and sense of responsibility. Think about how these technologies will change your life, your community, and the world around you. How can you harness the power to create a better future for all?